Welcome! In today's video, we're diving into a feature on Messenger that gives you control over who sees your stories. Whether you want to share a moment just with a special friend or keep your stories more private, we've got you covered. So if you're looking to customize your Messenger story audience on your Android device, let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Messenger app. You'll want to find the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines located at the top left corner of your screen. Once you tap on that, you'll see a list of options. Next, look for the gear icon to access your settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage your Messenger account. After that, you should tap on Privacy and Safety. This section is where you can find all the controls related to your privacy on Messenger. Now, it's time to scroll down a bit until you see Story Control. Once you find it, give it a tap. Here is where the fun begins. You'll notice an option that says Custom. Selecting this will allow you to pick and choose who gets to see your stories. Now simply choose the specific people you want to include. Once you're happy with your selection, tap Apply at the top right corner. To finalize your choices, make sure to tap OK. And there you have it. You've successfully tailored your story's audience to include only the people you want. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on Messenger and other apps.